open the ankle, you go through the line of your foot, you push everything open with a power stretch, 10 seconds in the electric pushing open, and then 10 seconds magnetic pulling open. Then you relax the foot and give it a shake. If it's your shoulder, you find where you need that stretch. Might be a muscle right there, and you stretch it. Electric 10 seconds, magnetic 10 seconds, and you relax and loosen it. So you design the next stretch for your body and your need. Let's say you have a sore muscle in your scapula. Round the back, find that muscle, power stretch it, electric, magnetic, and release it. So scan through your body for the next few minutes. Just design a few stretches to suit your body to loosen a particular part of your body. When you go extreme electric and pushing everything open, extreme magnetic, pulling everything open, and then you relax and let go, very often things will just pop and let go. They'll just release. Tension that was there disappears, especially around the joints. So you get a looseness, a jelliness around the joints that you didn't have before. Okay, design your own exercise and power stretch the next few minutes.